Well, we've got a bit of a return visit in the afternoon to see how it's looking. Wow. Certainly brought the colours out. Let retaining walls come clean. All the flags. And the test patch area there. Oh, the photos. Where the sun's on some of the stone. It's a bit awkward when the sun's in front of you. This was done this morning and it's settled now, and you can see the true colours. It's looking fantastic. The fossils in the stone. There's a lot of irons in these stones and highlights. Highlights the irons and the oranges and the yellows. All come up fantastic. Yep, another job well done with Monty Miracle.